Yahboom Jetson Orin NX 16GB Super Kit. Edge AI and Robotics Unleashed. Ever feel stuck staring at sluggish AI experiments, clunky robotics prototypes, or laggy edge computing devices? Watching your projects crawl while deadlines loom is frustrating, demotivating, and soul-sapping. Without a high-performance development platform, every iteration feels like a gamble, leaving you overwhelmed, distracted, and questioning whether your research or startup ideas will ever reach the next level. The pain skyrockets when complex AI models refuse to run smoothly, multi-camera setups drop frames, or robotics algorithms fail mid-test. Creeping burnout and stress mount as you struggle with slow inference and inefficient edge deployments. Each delay costs time, money, and momentum, making it unbearable to innovate or iterate confidently without the right embedded AI hardware. Enter the Yahboom Jetson Orin NX 16GB Super Developer Kit, the breakthrough embedded AI and robotics platform that turns chaos into smooth performance. Boasting 157 TOPS of AI compute, an 8-core Arm Cortex-A78AE CPU, and a 1024-core Ampere GPU with 32 Tensor Cores. This kit effortlessly handles complex neural networks, multi-sensor fusion, and real-time inference. It features 16GB LPDDR5 memory, a pre-installed 256GB SSD, dual CSI camera interfaces, Gigabit Ethernet, USB 3.2 and 2.0, and Wi-Fi, making it a compact powerhouse for robotics, autonomous machines, and edge AI. One user shared, during a drone vision project, the Orin NX handled simultaneous object detection, segmentation, and depth mapping flawlessly, saving hours of debugging. With full support for ROS2, Ubuntu 22.04, TensorRT, cuDNN, and NVIDIA JetPack SDK, it's ready for rapid prototyping. The thoughtful carrier board, robust I/O, and compact design provide flexibility for labs, studios, or field deployments. Performance, stability, and versatility converge in one pocket-sized AI marvel. The Yahboom Jetson Orin NX Super Kit revolutionizes edge AI development. Experts praise its Ampere GPU and Tensor Cores, allowing real-time multi-model inference previously impossible at this form factor. Influencers rave. Running high-res object detection on this tiny kit is mind-blowing. Customers report smoother AI experiments, faster ROS deployments, and seamless multi-camera setups. Many stories highlight its versatility. A smart city researcher deployed advanced traffic analytics with multiple cameras. A robotics enthusiast ran autonomous navigation algorithms continuously without thermal throttling. The kit's software ecosystem, including Ubuntu 22.04, TensorRT, CUDA, cuDNN, OpenCV, and ROS2 tutorials, accelerates learning and reduces setup headaches. Compact yet feature-packed, it supports M.2, NVMe expansion, wireless networking, DP-HDMI outputs, and GPIO sensor integration, bridging the gap between prototype and product. Curious why developers worldwide choose it? From autonomous drones to industrial AI/OT devices, the Orin NX delivers stellar AI throughput, reliability, and energy efficiency, enabling next-level robotics, computer vision, and edge intelligence. Step into the future of AI development, where every experiment, simulation, and real-world test is fast, accurate, and fully controllable. Don't wait. Limited stock available. The Yahboom Jetson Orin NX 16GB Super Kit empowers developers, researchers, and AI enthusiasts to run advanced neural networks, multi-camera robotics projects, and edge AI solutions like never before. Join thousands who've accelerated prototyping and unlocked real-time AI performance. Act now, secure yours today, and experience compact, high-efficiency AI computing that transforms ideas into working prototypes. From drones to smart devices, this is your ultimate AI edge platform. Unleash performance, speed, and innovation.